Stop scrolling. What you're about to hear sounds fake, but it's 100% true. Watch till the end. In 2002, a quiet Russian mathematician named Grigory Perelman solved the hardest math problem on Earth. A problem that had stumped every genius alive for 100 years. A problem with a $1 million prize attached to it. He didn't publish it in a fancy journal. He just posted it on the internet, anonymously. Then he went home and waited 3 years for anyone to check his work. When mathematicians confirmed he was right, they offered him the Fields Medal, the highest honor in all of mathematics. He said no. Then the Clay Mathematics Institute tried to hand him $1 million cash. He refused that too, and walked back to his small apartment in St. Petersburg to live with his mother. When someone asked him why, his answer was chilling. He said he already knew his proof was correct. So what other people thought about it simply did not matter to him. That is what a mind looks like when it genuinely does not need your approval.